There you are. Diamond tools that work on the toughest building sites with highest precision, quality, lifetime, and cutting speed. Our tools stand out where others reach their limit. But how is this possible? By using only the best raw materials from reliable partners and making the best out of them. We reach a level of production which results in constant and consistent quality. Using pressure that exceeds 25 tons and temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Celsius, we hot press or free sinter our own developed diamond segments. For further processing, we wash and degrease them first, so that they're prepared to be used on the next step, which is welding them to the steel center. 90% of our products are laser welded. The rest is usually silver brazed. Every single product is controlled at and by KERN DEUDIAM. Every tool can be tracked back. The subsequent grinding of the diamond segments gives the necessary sharpness and cutting speed. Depending on customer requirements, we paint the tools and label them automatically via laser engraving. Service is our priority. We supply the complete spectrum from packaging to labels. Since we are operating worldwide, we are able to supply you anywhere in the world, quickly and reliably. 100% quality, 100% made in Germany. KERN DEUDIAM, Diamantwerkzeuge und Maschinen GmbH.